Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening both the target project and the family in Revit. First, make sure the family you plan to edit is not locked or in use by another user. Save any changes and unload it from other projects if necessary. Once done, switch to the family editor. This lets you access type and category controls. You need edit privileges, so confirm permissions now. This step prepares the environment so subsequent classification changes apply correctly and won't break nested references. You now change the family's category and system classification. Open the family category and parameters dialog. Select the appropriate category that corresponds to the system you want, such as mechanical equipment or duct, because the category determines system behavior. Next, update any shared parameters tied to system classification so schedules and connectors reflect the change. Make sure connectors inherit the new classification. If not, edit connector properties. Once adjusted, save the family with a clear name indicating the new classification. You finish by loading the edited family back into the project and overriding the existing version. Place instances where needed and inspect connectors, system join behavior, and schedules to confirm the classification change took effect. If systems don't behave as expected, first revert to the previous family copy, then compare connector types and shared parameter mappings. Mismatched connectors are the most common cause. If that fails, check that the project system types accept the new category, and then reload after correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.